They said that you were a prostitute and that you were her guy.
You know why?
That's my uncle.
Welcome to Crazy Amazing World.
The Columbus Division of Police responded to a call regarding a woman engaged in prostitution at a street corner. Responding swiftly, the officers reached the specified location and proceeded to engage with the woman.
Yes, Tech 84. We got this black African American girl out here again, right here in front of the city, and right here in front of my business over here at Sullivan Avenue, prostituting again. Female black with a ponytail, just standing here looking stupid.
All their ID and add it to the run. So leave me here for a second. I'll head down to 919 Westwood. She walked northbound from here with another group.
How you guys doing? Are you guys waiting on the bus? Okay. That's what it looks like to me.
She's had drugs for a while.
You guys live out here, right?
I'll come back.
Someone called. They said that you were a prostitute and that you were her guy.
You know why?
That's my uncle.
Yeah. Well, my wife is coming for a ride along today, and I drove by. I was like, that is not a prostitute.
She's probably inside the building by now.
And I just wanted to. The person that called didn't leave their name or information. They refused. But I'm like, come on. Like, we know what hookers look like.
Okay.
You're not a hooker.
We not know you gay.
I just thought it was funny. I wasn't even going to get out of the car, but I was like, you know what, I'm going to go tell them, because I wanted her to see your reaction.
Oh, that was funny.
You know what I mean? People call about stupid stuff out here, and I'm sorry. When's the bus coming?
Charles, and I'm good news for now. And I'll head down to 919.
Yeah.
Wait till the family find out.
All right.
I
Well,
know, right?
I'm going to get...
Now you my pimp.
Yeah. Is she making you good money today?
I wish I was.
You know what's the thing?
I ought to be out here. I think I can make some good
You
money.
walk down the street and you're going to cause a traffic
I
problem.
probably will.
I was just, because of this right here, it didn't look like, she had anything on. It was looking like,
Well, because it is kind of skin tone.
yeah,
You are kind of brown. You got kind of a brown shirt on.
Coco, baby.
It's all good. No, I was like, she is too clean. You can tell. You can tell just by driving by that somebody has had a shower.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, just go. They always send 2 cars. So we're going to get out of you guys' hair. You have a good day.
Have a good day, too.
Yeah.
The woman was obviously not a prostitute. This turned out to be a false emergency call, designed to mislead and undermine public safety and vital services provided by the police. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications for more.